Hi, I'm Thomas Rastatter. I'm the product manager for Submerged Arc Consumables with Lincoln Electric. I'm here today to talk about our long stick-out sub-arc welding solution. So over here we have our new long stick-out torch extension that fits onto standard Lincoln Electric torches, and this utilizes our PowerWave AC/DC 1000 technology to allow you to weld up to approximately 50% faster. So the way this technology works is that it uses this bracket that mounts onto our torches, and it guides your wire up to a 6-inch stick out. And the reason we use a 6-inch stick out is to resistively preheat the wire to melt off at higher deposition rates at the same current you might weld with traditional submerged arc welding, where you're only welding with about 1.25 to 1.5 inch stick out. So if we look over here, we have counters going of how many times our plate has rotated around. So with the one that has the long stick out solution, we have about 161 rotations as of now, whereas on our standard solution, we have 107. So it's about 50% faster welding speeds. And again, that's because we get more efficient melt off at the same current, and that utilizes our PowerWave technology.